How to update YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily update YouTube. Now in order to update your YouTube application, you can simply head into your Play Store or App Store on your device, and there what you want to do is you can search in for YouTube and you can update it. However, if the update is out and if you're still not getting the update on your device on the Play Store or App Store, then you might want to force the update. Now how do you force update YouTube, or how do you force update the app? Now you can simply scroll down the notification bar, tap on the gear or the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen, scroll down until you find the option apps. Under apps, what you want to do is you want to scroll down and search in for YouTube, or from the search bar or the search panel you can search in for YouTube. Once you search it, you want to tap on it, scroll down and tap on the stories option, and then at the bottom you'll find the clear data option. Simply tap on it and you'll get the pop-up saying all of this applicant's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts and databases. So this will remove any of your saved videos, that is your downloaded offline videos and your accounts. So this is basically good as uninstalling and reinstalling. So you want to delete this. Once you delete it, you want to head into Play Store or App Store and search in for YouTube, and here you will get the update option instead of open option. So go tap on update and update. So this way you can update YouTube. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.